If you use your machine a lot where sound is a big issue, you may want to check out the Kolpin Stealth Exhaust. Stealth Exhaust is an extension of the original exhaust, and it simply goes on to attaches to that exhaust port and then provides additional sound dampening. Almost no back pressure increase with this system, and you'll be amazed at how quiet these machines become. A lot of times with the Kolpin Stealth Exhaust, hunters really like it. You don't spook the wildlife as much when you're going into a sound sensitive area. Riding up at your cabin, or if you're in a residential area, those are other things you want to consider. So the Kolpin Stealth Exhaust can help alleviate a lot of those sound sensitive areas or sound sensitive issues that you may be dealing with. And they also have the exhaust tip that moves up and down, or you can move it. Have the Stealth Exhaust out of the box without the heat shield on. I'm just going to place it on this Chemical 500 so you can see the difference between the noise when it considerably drops the noise level down. So we're going to do that for you now. It's more predominant noise isolation at higher RPMs. About mid-range is about where most of you are riding, and that's where you see the most decibel decrease. All right, so it's running now. It's going to give it about half throttle. So that there's a substantial amount of sound being isolated in the canister, in the baffle itself. It's very lightweight, doesn't add a lot of weight, and in some machines it actually increases some of the mid-range power. So if you want to reduce your exhaust noise, get the Kolpin Stealth Exhaust. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know.